Hey there friends, on the Velour channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add mods to Sims 4 on Steam. Let's open the browser and type mods for Sims 4 here. Okay, then go to the mod site and click install on the mod you want. Alright. And click download. Here, the file downloads. It's a package. We unpack it. Go to your documents, Electronic Arts, Sims 4, mods, and drop the mod you need here. That's it, and that's all. Then just start the game. This has been Velour. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you all later.